Hi everyone, welcome back to East for Living. So today in this video, what we're going to talk about is when you're starting out on your channel. So you're going to make your first 100 videos right off the get-go. Try to do at least 2 a week or 3. 3 will get the algorithm to keep repeating itself to find you and putting you in wherever niche it says you should be in. But there is a scroll down button at some part where you do, whether it's an educational video you've done or a how-to style video or a travel video, and you click on that. But if you don't click on anything, YouTube will find out what your channel is about and put you in whatever set they think you should be in anyway. Okay? Now, the thing is, you should niche down. And I'm saying you should niche down, although I never knew which way to go. Because at first, people used to say niche down, and people said don't niche down, just carry on and do it. Now, I niched down, but only after I had my first 50 or 60 videos out. I was doing financial stuff. It wasn't working out for me, but I ended up going into property instead. So my channel on Costa Clida Expats, that's all about villagers, and I do that. I've been doing that for 6 years. I've really enjoyed it. So I think you should niche down, and you should have a topic and to be passionate about it. Because if you have a topic, your audience knows where to come. They're not going to just come to random places, because they'll just come in, and if you just talk in random shite, they're just going to leave again because, oh, I'm not interested in this. But if you're talking about, say, knitting or YouTube or making money online, whatever you're doing, they will want to know how to do that, and that they'll keep coming back to learn, right? So, topic, build your foundation, make sure your audience knows what you're talking about, and that should be in your banner as well on your YouTube channel, what your channel is about, so they all know. Okay, now I do recommend that you improve on every video that you do by 1%. Every time you do a new video, really make sure that your next video going in, you're going to do an improvement. So when you come into your video, right, just say you're just starting your video now, don't start rambling on. Introduce yourself. And I ramble on, and I have to say it annoys me terrible when I look back at my videos. But you should come in and say, hi, my name's Marie, welcome to East for Living. I bet I forgot to say my name when I started this video. I think I did. But you just say, introduce yourself. My name's Marie. This is East for Living. Today we are going to talk about A, B, C, and D. And that's what people know is going to be talked about in the channel, and that's what they expect. It just makes things a lot easier, and people will stay for that. Be very clear and concise about what you're going to do. Try to do your channel consistently. So do 1, 2, 3, maybe 3 videos a week, 2 if you can. But I try to aim for 3. I used to try to aim for 3 houses, but obviously that's not happening because people are selling the houses, but people aren't putting the houses up for sale. So I'm not getting the houses in I used to get. I used to be guaranteed 3 houses, and I do 5 or 6, But anyway, so say you're starting a YouTube channel, do 3 videos. Even if you do 4 or 5, you can schedule it in the YouTube thing. You can schedule your videos for certain days to go out at certain times. So play around, have a look at that, and do that. So you can do a batch of videos, and you put one for Monday, one for Wednesday, and one for Friday. Have the weekend off. Or if you're just going to do all your videos on Sunday. I think if I was organised and not organised chaos that I am, I would probably do 6 videos and be always 3 in advance. All right? So there's a few tips for you. Now, the quicker you will learn your craft, the better. And the more videos you do, the better you will get at it. Some people get monetized within 6 weeks because they have a clear foundation. They've got a clear topic. People like them, keep coming back. It's the way they talk to people or whatever. Sometimes the topic may be very interesting. Sometimes it may not. It depends. But just be very natural. Be yourself, because people come back for personalities and they come back to see you, you know. I mean, when I started my housing channel, people thought I was copying this other guy that lives in the area. And I wasn't. I didn't even know he was doing it, you know. And I knew, because they didn't do YouTube, they didn't realise, but I knew they come back to see personalities. First of all, I'm a female, he's a male. He has a different way of talking to people and communicating, and I have a different way of talking and communicating. And people will like him, or they will like me, or they will like both of us. You know, it doesn't matter. Or they may not like either of us, you know. It is all about the person and the personality and how they deliver their YouTube channel. So don't worry about whether, you know, people like you or not. So I'll leave it there. I don't want to give you too much at the moment, and I'll see you again soon, hopefully. Bye-bye.